Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to change your reference sizing. So on the color page, anytime you have a still, you can look at it to compare it to the shot you're working on just by clicking on a still and then clicking on the box next to your sizer, and that adds your reference as a wipe. So if you have a jog dial on a speed editor, you can wipe it. You can also grab this with your mouse and move it around. And then you can change how the wipe responds with all these little presets up here. If you need diagonal, Venetian blind, checkerboard. So to get this to size correctly, if your reference isn't the same size, which this one wasn't, down in the middle of your color page, you're usually on curves by default. If you go to the right here, there's this transform box. Normally you're on edit sizing, but if you click over here, it's the same looking tab as your reference tab is up at the top. If you hover over it, it says reference sizing. Actually have it zoomed in a bit. You can flip it, you can move it around, whatever you need to do. This one I just zoomed it in to get the matte line to line up, so that way it was even with the aspect of the displayed image. And that's how you can change your reference sizing. And you can flip it if you need to, or reverse it, any of the options in here to make it look like you need it to, so you can compare it to your regular shot. That's how you can size the reference clip when you're in the color page. All right, thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you guys on the next one.